As we move through learning the bones and the structures of the bones, we will be going through a lot of material very quickly, so it will help you to be able to group these structures in accordance with one another and help you identify them quicker. The first way we can group the different parts of the skeleton is by separating them into the axial and appendicular skeleton. Here you can see the highlighted blue color under the axial on the left, showing us the skull, vertebral column, and the sacrum, as well as including the ribs, all highlighted blue. So these are the bones of the axial skeleton. And if you think what would make up the axis, it would be right down the middle of the body, kind of in line with the vertebral column. Looking at the appendicular skeleton on the right, these are the appendages. So everything from the pectoral girdle and the scapula and the clavicle through the arm bones, down through the os coxes and the femurs and the bones of the leg. So these are the appendages. And as we look through and go through the bones and the surface markings of the bones, we will see examples of these different structures where they are articulating surfaces, depressions, more importantly projections for tendon and ligament attachment, which will come into play with origins and insertions as we look at muscles, and finally openings. So we will all get a detailed view of each one of these as we are going through the structures of the bones, but for right now we want to focus on what are the bones of the axial skeleton and what are the bones of the appendicular skeleton.